Hey guys, so that's how we move it. Today is Move It Monday. Show me how you move it. Upload a video or a photo and hashtag Cumberland Connect, and we'll get to see how you guys move it on Move It Monday. I can't wait to see. Hey guys, it's Miss Price. We're going to do some chaining today. We're going to chain to read and we're going to chain to write. You're going to need something to write on and something to write with. Right now, I want you to take just a minute, pause the video, go get a piece of paper to write on and something to write with, and come right back to me. Okay guys, we're going to start with reading. I'm going to write a word. I'm going to point to the sounds, and as I point to them, I want you to try to sound them out and blend the word together, and then I'll do it with you. The first word we're going to try to read. I want you to try to sound this out, please. Now I'm going to do it with you. Cat. That's the word cat. Great job. I'm going to change my k and make a new word. Read this word to find out what the new word is. Read it with me. Bat. Which sound did I change? I changed k to b, and that turned cat to bat. Let's change another sound. I'm going to change the b this time. Read that word and find the new word, please. Let's do it together. Pat. Which sound changed? B changed to p, and that turned bat to pat. Next, I'm going to change the vowel sound. Remember, the vowel is a word that we make with an open mouth. Read the new word. Do it with me. Pet. I changed a to e, and that changed pat to pet. All right, one more time. I'm going to change the t this time. Read the new word. Now do it with me. Egg. Peg. We changed t to g, and that changed pet to peg. Great job. Next, we're going to chain to write. You need your piece of paper and your something to write with. Pause the video, get them ready, and come right back to me. All right, guys. First, I want you to say the word bag. Say bag. Now I want you to tap it out. Now I want you to write the word. All right, say bag again. Tap it out with me. B-a-g. Bag. You should have written b-a-g. Bag. Check your work. If you didn't get it right, go ahead and fix it, and then come right back. All right, guys, we're going to change bag to wag. Say wag. Now tap it out. You should have said wag. A-g. Wag. And you should have written a-g. Wag. Check your work and fix it if you got it wrong. The next word is wig. I want to change wag to wig. Say wig. Tap it out. Now pause the video and write it. Okay, say wig again. Tap it with me. I-g. Which sound changed? The vowel sound. We changed a to I. Ig. Wig. Great job. Now I want you to change wig to pig. Say pig. Tap it out. Now write the word. Very good. Say pig. Tap it out with me. P-I-G. Pig. Which sound changed? Very good. Change to P. And then you have ig. Ig. Pig. Last one. I want to change pig to peg. Say peg. Tap it out. Now pause the video and write it. Okay, say it again. Say peg. Tap it with me. Egg. Peg. You should have written egg. Which sound changed? The middle sound. The vowels changed. I changed to e. P. Egg. Peg. Great job, you guys. We're going to do some more chaining next week, but until then, you should ask your parents to read you some words and have you tap them out and spell them, or have them write some words so that you can read them. See you next week.